What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As always, I'm Chris. This is the Astro van. Got some updates for you today. Let's go take a look. All right, so first up on the agenda, this Webasto heater. Got that installed. If you saw my last video, I had some issues getting the main wiring harness in here plugged in. Broke my clip. Tried to get it warranted from Webasto, and they said no, I broke it, it's my fault. Anyways, got this new wiring harness and it plugged right in. I didn't have any of the problems I had in my last video, so kind of upset about that, but we'll let bygones be bygones. And my heater's in, it works. Next up on the agenda was getting a good power supply in here so I could power that thing. I went with a Renogy 100 amp hour lithium battery. It has Bluetooth capabilities, so I can monitor it with my phone, which is pretty cool. To charge it, I got a Renogy 50 amp DC to DC charger with a MPPT solar input. So whenever I want to go solar in the future, I can. That's this little lug right here. I would just connect my positive to that guy, negative over to this bus bar, and that'd be my solar. Anyways, if you guys are interested, I just routed this cord here up to my battery, positive and negative. We got positive is blue and negative is the brown color. This guy routes up to this cutoff switch. I can just turn the battery on and off like that, and goes into my charge controller. The separation is good in case I ever have to work on it. I don't have to go all the way under the hood and detach the battery. Anyways, so input comes in, comes out this lug here, and goes over to this positive bus bar, which is connected to the positive side of my battery. Negative is also connected over here to the bus bar and the battery, and then this lug connects the negative to my solar DC to DC charger. The third wire on there is this brown wire that's hooked up to my battery. So the entire system is grounded and safe. In between my positive lug and my bus bar, I have a 65 amp A&L fuse. I also have an 80 amp A&L fuse under the hood connected close to the battery. So it's protected double, and hopefully I won't have any problems. But yeah, here's the system. That's my update. The gas panel here is gonna have to be dented out so I can get some ducting to turn sideways, and then I'm going to be isolating this battery compartment with some insulation so I don't overheat any of these electronics. It's my plan. Anyways, I got that out of the way, so now I can get my second row seat back in here and start building out the rest of this wood. This wood's gonna be a mock-up just to get over to the metal fabricator. That's all gonna be built out of aluminum, so it's lightweight and strong. It's gonna be my bed lift frame. I'm gonna have a closet in this area. I also, just going over this panel, sorry not to get sidetracked, I made a little craft paper template that I got from Home Depot for free. It's over by like the twine cart. Made up my template and then trace it onto this wood that I had laying around. It's pretty strong. I used plus nuts into the frame, or into the body of the van. 1, 2, 3, 4 back in there, and I'm gonna put another one down there. But anyway, sorry, just in case anybody was wondering. But yeah, so I got my closet over here, I got my bed frame. There's gonna be a toolbox kind of above the wheel well there that's gonna back up into a bench seat, which is gonna be pretty sweet for the back end, with my sink and stove. And then I also have a Dometic drawer fridge that's gonna slide out right here. So I'm pretty excited to be this far into the build and actually get to start seeing it come together. These two things were pretty important to get in here before I started the framing, because they're kind of like the basis of the van: electricity and heat. But yeah, excited to have you guys following along on my journey. If you have any questions or concerns, if you see something that I did wrong, point it out to me. I'm new to this and never done a job like this before, and I'm pretty stoked at how it came out. I got all my positives on this side and negatives on this side, so yeah, I couldn't really be happier. At least one thing in this build went good. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll probably have all this wood built out and show you guys kind of the visual of the ideas that I got in my head right now. So yeah, it's another hot day in California, so I'm gonna go inside and wait till it cools down, then hopefully start building on this interior. See you guys later.